Okay, everyone. Good morning. This is Alex from Castro's General Contracting. So we are over at this place in Surrey here, and there's this beautiful and nice pool, but it has served its years and it's coming down. So we're gonna be tearing down this pool. Okay. It's a fairly large pool. It's probably, I would say, 25 feet long by probably 15 wide. Fairly good size, and all this deck is gonna come down. And I'm just testing, first video testing my Samsung tablet I just got last night. Been wanting to get a tablet for the longest time, but I said wasn't too much interested in it. I use my phone a lot. So there's Jeremy. Hey, Jeremiah. So the owner already started, but I guess he got tired and taking too long, so we're gonna be here a little bit. Try to film while we are working. Okay, thank you, bye.